Hey y'all, welcome to my first episode of Vlogmas. This is my very first time participating in Vlogmas. I've always wanted to participate, but I truly don't have enough time to upload videos every day. So I decided to just give you guys a few episodes this year. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorated my Christmas tree. I'm going to give y'all a step-by-step tutorial and show you guys how I put this beauty together, so stay tuned. So I'm going to get ready to open up the Christmas tree and start putting it together. I decided to go with a black Christmas tree this year because I think it's so dope and totally unique. I was almost in tears because I thought somebody stole my Christmas tree. FedEx, I had to wait like a couple of extra days for it, and FedEx marked my tree as delivered. I came home, no tree. Now I don't have any problems with people stealing packages in my building as long as it comes in the lobby, but FedEx is good for leaving packages outside on the front steps. So I thought somebody stole my Christmas tree and I was ready to cry. Come to find out, they marked it as delivered, lied, no tree. Came the next day, didn't even knock, left a door tag. Then they finally came back the next day and I got my tree. So to make a long story short, I'm happy I got my tree, but I'm about to get ready to put my tree together. So stay tuned. Now I put the base of the tree together and I'm going to go ahead and add the other layers. It's 2 more layers to the tree. Now this tree is supposed to be 6 feet tall. I'm 5'5", so I guess that's about right. And it's a pencil tree, so it's supposed to be tall and slim. She's looking very skinty right now, so I'm going to go ahead and fluff the branches and see how that turns out. I've been fluffing the branches, and baby girl's still looking a little bald-headed. I'm surprised she's not completely bald with all the hair she's been shedding, but I thought this would be the case, so I bought a roll of black deco mesh, and I'm going to add some in between the branches after I put on the lights to give baby girl some thickness, make her a little thick. I fluffed the tree best I could, and I'm going to get ready to add these lights. Now, y'all laugh at me. I only got 1 string of lights. That's all they had in stock. It is so hard to find Christmas lights with a black string. First set I ordered, it was green. People act like they're colorblind, but let me digress. I got 1 string of light, and it's all good because I'm just going to string it around the core because I don't need a lot of lights. I just want baby girl to shine a little bit. So let me go ahead and add these lights and see what that looks like. I just made it with my 1 string of lights, y'all. I'm going to go through the tree and fix them so they spread out evenly, but this 1 string will do the trick. Now it's time to add some deco mesh to make the tree fuller and make baby girl thick. I cut about 12-inch strips, and I'm going to add them to the tree in sections. I'm going to start at the top and just put the deco mesh in between the branches and kind of wrap it around. This is my first time doing this, so bear with me, y'all. Trying to be a little fancy, trying something new. I usually just use garland. And the deco mesh just kind of rolls up on its own. We're going to see how this turned out. Have a little bit of trouble here. Okay. So I finished adding the deco mesh to the tree, and I really like the way it turned out. It looks fancy, y'all. No more garland for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding the decorations to the tree. The theme is black, gold, and silver. Now I'm going to start decorating the tree, and I'm going to start with this variety of gold balls. And there's shiny metallic gold, a matte golden gold, and some sparkling glittery gold balls. So let's go ahead and put those on the tree. So excited. And I have no rhyme or reason to my method. I just add the balls to the tree and just try to spread them out evenly. There's going to be some more balls. I have a set of balls just like these, but in a silver variety. And I think they're a little bigger, but those will be going on too. So I'm just going to try and spread the balls out as much as possible. Let's get one of these right here and just make it look pretty. That's the goal. And I'm done with the golden balls. I'm going to start adding the silver balls. And like I said, they're the same variety as the golden balls, but they're a little bigger. So we need two different sizes in gold and silver. Sounds perfect to me. Let's see. Nope, don't like that there. I'm going to try to be a little more symmetrical with this set of balls. No, don't like it there either. I'm picky, y'all. I'm just going to go ahead and put them anywhere like I've been doing. That works for me. That works better for me. Now, I'm finished with the balls. I have some sparkly gold and silver snowflakes that I'm going to add to the tree. And these are some of the decorations that I've had since my son was extremely small. And I probably found them at the 99-cent store. You can find some good looking stuff in the discount store, y'all. Just trying to figure out where I want to put these. Actually, I'm not going to put that there because there's a special ornament I want to put there. I'll show y'all in a little bit. Let's hang these off the side. Maybe right here. It's between some silver and gold. Right here. Oh, perfect. And I found somewhere to put all four of the snowflakes. We have a gold one there, a gold one there, a silver one there, and a silver one there. And now I have two little sparkly gold Christmas trees. I'm going to see where I'm going to put these because these tend to be a little heavy and way down the branches. At least on all of my little old cheapy Christmas trees. But we're going to try to find a spot for them. Do I like that there? I do. And where am I going to put this other one? Y'all, I don't know. This needs to move up some. Okay, that's better. I don't know where I'm going to put this other one, y'all. How about right here? Let's see how it looks right there. I like that. We could do right there. That's perfect. And I have this sparkling gold ornament. It's like a little gift box with a glittery bow, and it says Noel. And I think I'm going to sit that right there. Let's see. Oh, it has little snowflakes on it too. I like that there. That'll work. And I have this Danbury mint shopping bag ornament that my aunt gifted me back in 2006. And it's like my favorite ornament. And that's what I was saving this little space for up here. So that ornament can go front and center and be on display. Let me see, let me move that up a little bit so it can hang properly between the branches. There we go. I like that there. And I have one more ornament. Yep, just one more ornament that I'm going to put on the tree. And it's a little Santa boot from Pandora. And let's see where we can stick this little cutie. Let me see if it'll work in between me. This is heavy. I have to secure it so it don't fall off and hit the floor. Let's see if it'll work right there. See? Move that around a little bit. Maybe if I move the branch up some. I like that. That'll work. Just turn this little snowflake around right there. Oh yeah, y'all. I like that. Now we ready for the star. I'm going to give y'all a closer look at the decorations before we put the star on the tree. And here's a closer look at all the decorations. Here's the Danbury mint shopping bag. This tree just fits my style, y'all. Minimalist chic with a dose of glam. I love it. Let's get ready to put this star on. So I have a silver star, but it lights up gold, and I'm just going to fold over that top branch in preparation for the star. And we fold that over again, or the star is not going to stay put. We don't want the star falling off. And I'm just going to sit the star on top of the tree. That still looks like it might fall off, y'all. I'm going to have to secure that with the branch. I'm going to pretty much wrap the branch through the star so that it can hold it in place. Ooh, I'm going to have to go get some ties for this star. And I'm going to plug the star lights into the string lights. And I have to try to hide the string because it's green. It's so hard to find anything with black string, but I might just tie a piece of deco mesh around that to hide it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I was able to secure the star. And to hide the green wire, I'm just going to wrap a piece of deco mesh around the star. And we're all done. I just have to add the skirt to the tree, and that'll be it. For the tree skirt, I'm going to be using this white organza fabric that I've been using for the last couple of years. It has like these silver stars all over it, and I figured the white would be a nice contrast against the black. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around the bottom of the tree. And I'm just going to double the fabric over and leave it kind of loose and just tuck it around the tree. Just to cover up the base. And you go around to the other side and just tuck it on the other side. And that's nice and simple. It's just to cover the base of the tree. I don't want it covering up too much floor space. That's my whole point in getting a slim tree, because I don't have a lot of space for a tree. So it's just to cover the base of the tree and to make it look pretty. That's it. So now I'm going to light up the tree and show you guys what she looks like all lit up. Let me sashay on over here. Plug is conveniently over here on the side of the couch. And voila! Baby girl is all lit up. She looking tall, slim, and pretty. Let's turn down those lights so you guys can get a better look at her. Oh, see, I told you guys one string of lights would be enough. It illuminates the ornaments and she looks pretty. See, you don't have to do too much. All you need is a little bit of shine. Just a little bit. And let me turn those lights back up. And that is it for my tree decorations. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And tell me what's your color theme for your tree this year in the comments.